What's poppin', y'all? I'm back with another video. I'm about to show y'all how to do this cute, warm, colorful cut crease. Pretty easy, pretty simple, and if y'all interested, just stay tuned. So I did my eyebrows off camera, so what I'm doing is dragging my concealer in the color, my LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn, on my lid, and I'm just blending that out with my finger. You can use a brush, you can use a sponge, doesn't really matter. To set that concealer, I'm using my Airspun powder, concealer brush, and just work that up in there. So we are about to jump into this Juvias Place palette. I think it's called Afrique. I'm a freak. I'm gonna just call it I'm a freak. I like that name better. With the color of the car. We gonna go and dab that up into my crease. Then I'm going to begin to blend it out, and the way I do that, I sweep it back and forth into my crease, and then I also begin to blend in like a circular motion. Then kind of just do the same thing on the other eye. So using a flat fluffy angle brush, I'm gonna go in with the brown from my St. Dreams palette. It's one of my ColourPop palettes, not really pretty sure. Just using that brown and going into my crease. But a little below that orange. I don't want to bring it up higher than that because I want that orange to be visible. So using my LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn, I'm gonna go back in with a flat rounded brush, and I'm gonna begin to create my crease. But I'm gonna say this now. If you're trying to go for a cut crease, my advice is to look down when you apply that concealer. Because if you try to do it looking straight, you're not gonna get that achieve like high cut crease. It's gonna go into your actual crease, and then once it does that, then it doesn't, you can't see it. You can't see it. Like, it's really, really small. So you wanna look down when you do it. It helps a lot. And make sure you blend that concealer in after, because you don't want that to get on the top of your crease. And with the flat fluffy brush, I'm going to go into the color Aya, and then I'm going to just begin to dab that onto my lid with the concealer on it. And the more you dab it on, the more vibrant that color becomes. So instead of sweeping it onto your lid, you want to pat it as much as you can, and then just kind of get into my crease without messing up that perfect line. I'm gonna use a thinner flat brush and go up in there. So using that same burnt orange I used in the beginning, I'm just kind of patting that over the brown to brighten it up. And then with that same orange as well, I'm going to use the same flat brush that I used to place the yellow on my lid. And I'm going to put that in the corner, the outer corner of my eyes. Using some random eyeliners that I had, I just began to line my eyes up. My cat eye is freaking terrible, so don't judge me. It is not on no Ariana Grande type status. It's more or less. So with the blue and the green in the palette, I go into my lower lid, begin to apply that there. I honestly should have waited until I did my foundation and concealer because it probably would have came out a lot brighter, but I really wasn't thinking. And with that that's highlighter. With that highlighter, I just put it into the corner of my eye. I think I put it on my brow bone as well. Just putting a little mascara on before I put my lashes on. And I did that off camera as well because I can't put lashes on camera. Now this is that Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. This shit gives me life. And the it's deep 71 warm. And oh my god, like I just love it because it gives me that melanin. You see how pale I was looking before that, and then it just gave me that bright glow that I love. With my favorite stuff in the whole wide world, we are about to hop back into that LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn. I'm gonna put that under my eyes, my T-zone, which is basically my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. And y'all already know what's up. We about to get like Michael Jackson, and we about to beat it, okay? We about to blend that face out. Now my best friend Anastasia, she about to give me some life and help me hollow out these cheeks. Give me a little glow as well, you know. Gotta remember to put some on that big ass forehead of mine. And as well as on my nose. Back with the Airspun, I'm going to set any wet parts of my face. Since I didn't use a wet contour, I really don't need to set that. I'm just setting the concealer area. So under my eyes, my chin, my forehead, and my nose. And under that contour. Gotta put the powder under your contour to shape your contour. Because if you don't, then you ain't gonna have no hollow cheeks. And then with the big complex brush from Elf, I begin to dust that shit off. I don't want to be looking ashy. I don't even like baking like that. And then to top it off, you gotta add that highlight because that highlight gotta be popping, B. You already know. I don't even know what highlighter I'm using. I'm just using some random highlighter I got from the mall. Who knows? And then wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. You all done. Add your lipstick, your lip gloss, whatever you want to add, and you're done. that's all I have for you guys today. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys comment and like. And I'll talk to you guys. I'll see you guys next time.